Welcome to Knowledge Power. Very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Today, I'm going to show you how you can monitor your internet speed all the time without going into any application itself. You just need to go to this link, majorgeeks.com. When you click on that, you will have to find which Windows you're using. If you are using 32-bit, you will have to download a file 32-bit. I am using 64-bit, so I am going to download a file that is 64-bit. Once you click on that, your download will begin automatically. You will have to save that file into your PC. Once your download is finished, you will need to go to the location of your file, and then you will have to extract all the files into your hard drive once again. Now I have done the extraction. Now as you can see, all files are downloaded. What I will have to do, I will have to go to the file that is exe file trafficmonitor.exe. Once I double click on this file, it gives you a warning that it's a third-party app. You can run it. Once you run that file, you will see if the program is already running, you can exit it. Actually, I've already installed it in past, that's why it shows me this. But if you don't have it, once you double click on that, you can see the window like this. It will pop up on the main screen that this is the downloading speed and uploading speed. You can select your network if you are having a multiple networks. Also, you can put this widget into your taskbar like this, so you will always be updated. Then you can also remove it from the main screen if you want to. And I'm just okay. You can also add more options in that widget. You can monitor CPU usage, memory usage, rest you can discover. It's quite easy to use and friendly application. But I'm going to remove it now as I don't need that much. For me, the uploading and downloading is enough. I hope you find this video good for you. Thank you for watching.